Hello, this is Sania Patel, and you are welcome to HW News English. The case of the alleged rape and murder of a young doctor at Kolkata's R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital has sparked a massive outcry across West Bengal. With legal battles, protests from doctors, and political actions all intertwining. The Supreme Court of India is closely monitoring the developments, raising serious concerns about the ongoing investigation and actions of both the CBI and the state government. On Tuesday, the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud voiced its disturbance after reviewing the CBI's status report on the R.G. Kar case. He said, and I quote, "We are ourselves disturbed by what we have read." The court made it clear that revealing the contents of the report publicly could potentially harm the investigation, instructing the CBI to submit a more detailed status report on September 24th. The investigation, which focuses on the brutal assault and murder of the resident doctor, has captured national attention due to its sensitivity and alleged lapses in handling by local authorities. During the hearing, senior advocate Kapil Sibal, representing the West Bengal government, countered the CBI's claim that they had only received 27 minutes of CCTV footage. According to Sibal, the state government had handed over all available recordings. The court also scrutinized the state's Ratir Sathi initiative, a scheme involving the recruitment of private security personnel on a contractual basis, expressing concern that the main accused in the case is a civic volunteer employed under this scheme. This raised questions about the security protocols at the hospital and the extent of the state government's accountability. On Monday, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has addressed the demands of the protesting junior doctors, announcing the removal of two top health department officials, Director of Medical Education Kaustav Naik and Director of Health Services Debashish Haldar. Additionally, Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Kumar Goyal has also been relieved from his duties, along with the police chief of the city's north zone where R.G. Kar Medical College is located. Despite this, the protesting doctors, while welcoming the removal of the officials, have decided to continue their agitation until their remaining demands are met. Furthermore, senior doctors from R.G. Kar Medical College have raised serious allegations of evidence tampering, further deepening concerns surrounding the case. One of the contentious issues brought to the court's attention was the refusal of Wikipedia to remove the name and image of the deceased doctor from its platform. The site cited its policy against censorship. However, both the CBI and the victim's family counsel expressed concern over this, leading Chief Justice Chandrachud to order Wikipedia to take down the content, showing the court's sensitivity to the family's privacy in the midst of an already traumatic ordeal. Amid the legal and public uproar, the Bharatiya Janata Party has planned a protest march titled Kalighat Cholo on September 25. The march, led by Union Minister and BJP leader Sukanta Majumdar, aims to demand justice for the victim and hold the state government accountable. The protest will take place near Hazra More, close to the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's residence, and is expected to draw significant participation from BJP supporters and other groups seeking justice for the doctor. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.